Okay, good morning. This is a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning here in the greenhouse, in this part of the greenhouse anyways. And it's so beautiful. What can we do outside? Not much. But the one thing you can do while you're having your coffee in the morning or looking out the window, where has the snow left your lawn first or your property? And this is the mini zones that are in your own yard where the tender plants that you want to plant or would like to plant or have a flower garden or a perennial garden, that would be the ideal spots. The other problems that we could have is unknown right now. The thing is, there's not much you really can do other than stay off your lawn until it settles down, and when it gets mushy, absolutely keep people off of it for that every week, 1 week period. There's other things that you have to do. You don't have to do it, but get out your pruning tools and clean them up. And a show and tell was all you need is a rag and some 3-in-1 oil to get them all cleaned up, your cutting tools. And make sure you get what you have. Like, for example, your common tools, and all you really need is your saw, which is, if I don't cut my finger off with this thing, because I have another type that I should have shown you that was already opened up. But anyway, you know this thing opens up. And also your lopping shears. But the thing that I want to caution, you're going to get these all cleaned up. You're going to have somebody do it for you. This is the top of the line lopping shear. You know, it's top of the line or the bottom of the line. If you don't use it right, it's ruined right off the bat. This will take about a 2-inch cut, branch it'll cut easily. But you get near the end, it gets a little bit tough. People want to wiggle it, that breaks them. No matter the most expensive one or the end, you bend it a little bit, it doesn't cut right after that. So make sure that when you get to that point, you have a saw to finish the job. Also, some of you southpaws, we do have southpaw pruning shears and southpaw tools. This would be a southpaw, this would be a righties. And if you are dominant southpaw, it comes in really handy if you're a gardener. Here's a sharpening tool that you sharpen your tools with, particularly your hand tools. This here, of course, being a Felco, you just buy new blades for it if you'd like after you get done wearing it out, sharpening it. But all of these will be sharpened. Some of these tools we have, like this group in here that we get from Holland. If you have little kids, don't have them around the house. But if your kids are gone, it's a great tool to have because you can shave with this sucker. And it doesn't have to be sharpened very often at all. And it does just a nice job with all different types of trowels and tools in that manner.